got him. Oh, fish on. Oh my gosh, feels like a good one. I got a fish. Oh, and it's a good one. It's a good one. Holy crap, there's a catfish on the line right here. Guys, look at this. What is up, everybody? Fishhawk here. Today I'm doing some river fishing. I'm fishing for anything that's willing to bite. Most likely I'm gonna run into some smallmouth, maybe some fall fish, maybe some bluegill or rock bass, all kinds of stuff in here, but it's supposed to be a pretty nice day, getting up to about 65 degrees, a little bit of a breeze and partly cloudy. Hopefully I can catch some. Stay tuned. Today I'm going to start out with Kalin's 2.8 Tickle Tail. This is a paddle tail and it's bait fish color. I'm going to pair this swim bait up with Kalin's Google Eye jig heads. These jig heads have little rattles inside, which is pretty interesting. Maybe it'll trigger some bites. Just like that, nice and straight on the jig head. There's one. Little guy, but it's a smallie. Let's go. First fish of the day. Not a bad little chunker. Oh, thanks. We on the board. Fish on. I don't know what I got. Something little. It's a little. Oh, look at that, guys. Let's go. Got us a little rock bass. Got a little mark right there on him, but man, these are some pretty fish. See you, buddy. Forgot to show you guys my setup today. 6'6", medium light St. Croix Premier, Daiwa Fuego, 2500, 8-pound test, P-line fluorocarbon. There we go. Fish on. What do we got? Oh, another rock bass. We'll take it. We will take it. Look at that thing. That thing's porked up. Second rock bass of the day. Man, these are some beautiful fish. Look at the belly on this thing. Hey, at least something's biting, right? We got it. I got a fish. I was stuck on a rock, jerked it loose, and this guy whammed it. In the net. Let's go. We will take it. Beautiful little smallmouth. Holy crap, there's a catfish on the line right here. Guys, look at this. There's fishing line and there's a catfish on it. Look. He's pulling. Look at this tree. Look, look, look. Come here, buddy. We're gonna save you. Oh my gosh. Come on, buddy. Let me go get you unhooked. What the heck? He's not even hooked in the mouth. That's a nice catfish. Curly tail grub. Poor guy. Look, this guy's not even hooked in the mouth. Man, he's been on there a while too. We got it out, guys. Nice little channel cat. We sort of caught him, but sort of not. Saved his life. See ya, buddy. You're free. Finally got all the line and the hook and grub cleaned up. Go ahead and put it in my pack and take it out so it doesn't kill some other fish. All right, let's get back to fishing. Maybe the fish gods will reward me since I saved that little channel cat. All right, guys, decided to switch it up to a tube. Wanted to go with something a little more subtle, a little more finesse. I did catch a couple in the swim bait, but it doesn't seem like they're really in the mood to chase. So I'm gonna try this and see what happens. I got one. Fish on, baby. Nice one. Nice fish. Oh, it's a big smallie. Let's go. You're not getting in there. Nope, you're not getting in that. Come here. 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 We got you, buddy. Oh, yeah. That's a chunker. Right in the corner of the mouth. That's a chunker. I don't know what's wrong with the sides. Look at that beautiful tail. Got him. Another smallie. Not near as big. Come here, buddy. I ain't got the net, so you're gonna have to hold still. Little smallie, always fun, no matter the size. See you, buddy. The tube's working. The tube is working. Fish on. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, no, it's not. I mean, it's decent, but it ain't huge. You fooled me. You fooled me, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't splash me. Come on. Please don't splash me. Oh. Oh, yeah, we'll take that. That's definitely an upgrade from that last one. Back you go. The smallies are starting to chomp a little. There's one. No way. Fall fish. How many species is that today? Got us a fall fish. I think that's species number 4 if I include the channel cat that I saved. There he goes. Gonna switch things up a little bit, see if I can get a reaction strike. This is a gold Kastmaster 1/4 ounce. I got a fish. Didn't even know it. Oh, it's a smallie. Not a bad one either. Oh, yes, let's go. Holy crap, he choked that thing. Nice smallie on the gold Kastmaster. Way over there where that water's running in, I cast it. As soon as it hit the water, something bit it. Got him. Through the rapids we go. Oh, not a bad smallmouth. He ain't big by any means, but... Oh, in the net. Gold Castmaster. There he is. Not a big one, but he's pretty. See you, buddy. All right, guys, only one fish from the dam here. Current is super strong. The one fish that I did catch was over there in the slack water. That's where you'd expect them to be. They're not going to be fighting this strong current. I'm going to move back downstream to find some slower water. All right, guys, I'm going back to the tube. This is what I caught my biggest fish on today. I'm running out of time to fish. I got to head home soon, so I'm going to make the most of it. Go big or go home, right? Got him. I knew I was getting bit over there. It's just not quite big enough to get the... Oh, he's not bad. Oh, putting on a show. I'd say he wanted it. Holy moly, that tube is gone. Not a bad one. Woo, he wanted out of there. Tube's doing work, guys. There's some slack water right over there against that rock wall, and it seems like that's where they're hanging out. Oh yeah. I got a fish. Oh, that's not a bad one. Oh yeah, not a bad one at all. Come here, buddy. We'll take that all day. Not a bad fish at all, guys. Little football. All I'm doing to fish this tube is casting it out, and I'm just reeling slowly and letting it bounce on the bottom. Every now and then I'll give my rod tip a twitch if I feel it's starting to get hung up on the bottom, but you want it right on the bottom, just bouncing along, moving with the speed of the water. Little fella. Oh, it's a little Rocky. Come here, buddy. Ain't that crazy? Tell me that ain't aggressive. All right, buddy. Thanks for playing. I got a fish. Oh, and it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh yeah, it's a good one. This time you're getting netted, buddy. No. Oh, holy sh! Let's go. Goodness gracious, what a fish. Oh, and it popped right out. Did you guys see that? That's a real good fish. Holy moly. Look at that. Absolute beauty. Now that's what we came fishing for today. Got him. Oh, fish on. Oh my gosh, feels like a good one. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. It's a good one. It's a good one. And I ain't got my net. No. Come on. No. Quit jumping. Quit jumping. Quit jumping. Oh. Come here. Come here. Come here, big girl. Let's fucking go. Whew. What an absolute beauty of a smallmouth, guys. Absolute football. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. Had an awesome day out here on the river. Caught a lot of fish, some really nice smallmouth bass, some rock bass, I think one fall fish, and we saved a little channel catfish. So just a great day out here on the river. All the information for the gear I used will be down in the description. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hulk out.